Hey guys, you've come to a place called Chamberlain's Ford, and behind us is the Selwyn River. Next to me and Eddie is Fiona from Central Plains Water. Now, you've seen and heard from Fiona about what Central Plains Water does. You get the water that's used for irrigation, but it's not the only thing you guys do with the water that you collect.
Yeah, so we have we don't just use it for irrigation. We use it for the likes of stock water to go onto the farms, so they use it for their stock. We also use it for firefighting, and we also use it, we deliver some water to the water treatment plants in Springfield and Sheffield. So we have a couple of uses, and then there's another big project that we've got going on called a targeted stream augmentation.
Ooh, that's a big word.
It is, yeah. It's a pretty important project though, and we're working with Environment Canterbury to do this project. And what we do is any excess water that we've got at any time during the year, we take that, and at a certain location we're going to release water through about 10 little taps, and it will release around 3,500 litres per second, and we'll put it into the ground, into a soak basin, and that's sort of similar to what we see in front of us, just a gravel bed where it will percolate through and go into the groundwater there, and it will hopefully pop up at locations such as this behind us.
So why do you do that?
The reason is that during some periods where it's really wet and the river will flow behind us, so for the last couple of years we've seen it quite wet and the river's flowing, but in other years it's really dry. So we had 10 years where it was quite dry and these rivers tended not to flow. So we've got surface water and groundwater mixing behind us. And when it gets too dry, that surface water stops flowing, and so you have eels that can't survive. All the fish need to get back out to sea, so we're trying to prevent that from actually happening in those drier years.
And maybe some algae build up.
Yeah, we do tend to see that when the river flows get low. So we have about 4 or 5 main rivers in the Canterbury Plains area that I look after, and this is one of them.
Well, it's great. It's just great to know that you guys are actually putting back into the community as well.
Yeah, it is. It's a really good project that we're working with Environment Canterbury and the community on.
Great, thanks Fiona.
No problem.